Welcome to another Booking Koala tutorial. If you don't have Booking Koala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about Booking Koala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with Booking Koala.
In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix an issue in Booking Koala where prices aren't showing up in the booking summary. Let's get started. First, go to your settings. Once you're in the settings menu, go ahead and select General. Next, hover over the Store options. Alright, now let's head over to the Customer tab. Now click the Bookings section. Here you'll find a question that says, do you want the customer to see the entire payment summary on the booking form or only the total price? Make sure to set this option to Customer Front End. This option lets you add a Learn More button to show the payment summary details. Only new customers or customers who are not logged in will see the full payment summary. Once you've done that, don't forget to save your changes. And that's it. Now your customers can see the full price breakdown while booking. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.